Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying legitimacy. This avoids accidental piracy. Sign into the Microsoft account tied to the license, then open an Office app and inspect file account. Once done, confirm the subscription or product key matches that account and make sure Windows and Office updates are current. You do this because outdated components or mismatched accounts often trigger activation prompts. If the license is missing, pause and retrieve it from your purchase receipt or employer, versus trying workarounds that break terms of use. Next, repair and revalidate to resolve activation glitches. Open Programs and Features, select Office, then choose Quick Repair. If that fails, run Online Repair because it reinstalls licensing components. After repairs, sign out of Office completely and sign back in to force revalidation. This often fixes mismatched account tokens. If you're still stuck, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool to gather diagnostics and apply recommended fixes. These steps correct corrupted license data and service authentication without breaching license agreements. To finish, escalate properly when local fixes fail. Contact Microsoft Support or your organization's IT with your order ID or subscription info. They can reset licenses or reassign subscriptions. Meanwhile, use Office Online or install LibreOffice to maintain productivity. This avoids illegal workarounds and keeps files accessible. Make sure to collect error codes, logs, and screenshots before calling support, because clear evidence speeds resolution. If activation errors persist, ask support for a license reset or replacement. Do not attempt circumvention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.